Hello guys, welcome back to my Cricut Design Space tutorials. This is tutorial number 4 and we are going to be welding. So what we've got to do now is start a new project. Alright, let's get the grid going here and let's get a shape. Let's get two shapes. When you put two shapes together and you want them to be attached, you go to Actions and you click Weld. Now that shape is one shape. Welding is very important because it gives you the ability to weld shapes together. So let's say you want to weld another piece together. Just highlight both pieces. You could align them if you want so that they're center. As long as you're happy with the finished product, go to Action and go to Weld. Now you have a welded piece. So let's change the color of this. You have a blue piece. Let's say purple. So now you have two pieces. Alright, so let's make another piece. Say you have this, you want to turn this into a square and then a triangle. You can go to Actions and Weld and now you have another piece that you can change the color on. Welding actually makes things kind of interesting. And you can align them by going to Align. Now they're all aligned. Go to Actions and group them. When you group different pieces, you can change the size of all of them at once. And you could always ungroup them. You see? So welding is a very useful tool in creating unique shapes because the only thing you can design with is with shapes. So you can cut shapes, you can splice shapes, and you can weld shapes. You can attach shapes and do all kinds of crazy stuff with it. When you, let's say you want to make an even crazier shape, you can highlight two shapes. You can only do two shapes and you can slice them. Now you have 4 shapes, but slicing is going to be taught in another tutorial, so don't worry too much about it. Right now we're concentrating on welding. So whatever the cool thing about welding is that you can get as many shapes as you want. Like let's say you want this circle. Let's color it green or something. And you want to, let's say you want to duplicate the crap out of it. You highlight all of it, go to Actions and weld it, and you just made this shape right here. So Let's see, let's get close. It's gonna have a ridge though, so it's not gonna be perfect. But let's say you want it to be flat. You want that shape but without the ridges. All right, so you get a shape like a rectangle, like a square. Turn it into a rectangle. Let's see if we can make the width 9 by 3 just to make it simple. So we get a circle by shape that's 3 inches. Go to edit, turn it into 3-inch circle on both sides just to make it easier. Alright, we're going to put this circle right here, but we're going to position it somewhere where it'll be easy to position something else. So at 8, let's get this actions and duplicate that circle so we have the exact same circle. So we want to put this right around here. So we go to edit, go to, I think it's going to be 6 to 5 and 40. And there you go. You have it right there. Then put the other one right there. .5 and this one 40. Let me see here. This one's probably going to be 6.5 and 40. Okay, so now you can go to actions and weld, and now you have this piece, right? And it's flat. So that's the usefulness of welding. So let's change the color to red, I suppose. Go to actions, duplicate, edit, rotate it 90 degrees, and highlight both of these. Go to align and center, then highlight it again. Go to actions and weld, and you just created that. You created this shape. Now, let's say you want to make it even crazier. You can go to actions and duplicate it. Highlight it and weld it. Now you have a crazier shape. Now let's say you want to undo it. You want this original shape, so you'll go to actions, duplicate it, and just keep it on the side so that you can create this shape right here. See? So you can make some crazy shapes and patterns with just the weld thing. Alright, so that should be it for welding. So thank you for watching my videos. I'm going to try to bring more tutorials probably every single week, or 2 or 3 a week, just so I could have a complete course. This is going to be about a course of about 30 lessons because there's a lot of things to learn on here, and hopefully this is going to help people, beginners, get comfortable with the Cricut Design Space app. So thank you for watching.